Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this broken glass effect using InShot video editor. Okay, before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the effect looks like. I'm going to play my video, guys. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can create this editing. Okay, I'm going to go back to the InShot homepage and then create new project. And for the video, I'm going to use the video from the material. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the watermark. Wait. Alright, and then I'm going to add text to this video. I'm going to type in broken glass. You can type in natural one. Oops, sorry guys. I'm going to enter it, and then I'm going to zoom in like this, and then I'm going to export this video. I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and then I'm going to export it. Okay, and hold on guys. And the video has been exported, and then I'm going to import the video we have just exported. Okay, and then I'm going to add broken glass effect. We can go to the effect menu, select effect, and then you're going to go to the glass category, and you can choose this shatter effect. Okay, and then you can click on the check mark, and then the second one, you're going to add flutter effect. You can go back to the effect, and then you're going to choose shake, and then choose this flutter effect, and then you can adjust the value guys if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then for this flutter effect, I'm going to make it short like this, and for the shadow as well. Okay. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And then I'm going to add sound effect. So we can go to the audio and then select effect and choose popular category. And then here you can choose smash glass. Okay, and I'm going to use the effect and let's play it. Okay, and that's so cool. Okay, like that. And once you're ready to export it, just click on export. Okay, and that's all the video for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.